Hi class, let me show you what's needed for this lab. So once you click on the Desmos link, the Desmos link should take you to technically this actual page. And let me tell you what it represents. So all of these are coordinate points that data has been collected, but the coordinate points here are expressed as x's and y's. And then the idea here is the following. If there's a pattern, there could be a linear pattern within a small interval. And we use basically this line to create predictions on data values that are not collected. So for this lab, this is all I need you to do. So technically, you click on dataset number 1, and then the software should let you actually remove some of the coordinate points or add coordinate points. For this to be done correctly, you have to enter an x and a y. So you couldn't actually enter a single x. Let me just modify some of these so that you see basically what's needed. Once you enter the data set, and the data set that I'm asking you to enter is technically this one, then the actual software is going to update the coordinate points along with the line. Now, the measurements that I'm asking you to report are 2. So basically, this will be one picture once you enter the data set, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. If the data set it's not all within a small interval, zoom in so that I can at least see some of the coordinate points that are there. And this is what you're reporting. So technically, you would just say that R, it's approximately, and in this case, R is 0.58 rounding to 2 decimal places. I'll explain what R represents. Your regression equation, which is technically this line here, it's expressed as 5.25. Actually, wait, 0.29x. So this will be 0.29x. And then the other portion is 5.25. So plus 5.25. So this is your second picture. And let me explain what that represents. So the value of R actually represents, or it's a measurement closely related to the slope, and also how all these coordinate points are related as they're expressed within a line. So having an R that's positive means that your coordinate points are going technically in this direction, going up from left to right, they're going up. Having a negative R, that would mean that it's going in this direction. So at the moment, that's actually all I need you to report. So one picture with the entire data set. The second one, retrieve your value of the Y or Y hat. And I'm obtaining those values from here. That's your M and that's your actually B. So it's MX plus B. So the main formula for this one is Y hat. It's approximately MX plus B. So that would be your second picture.